Good morning students. Today we are going to solve question number 13 and 14 of exercise 5.1. Students, these two questions, question number 13 and 14, you can able to answer this directly if you have followed the introductory lecture and exercise 5.1 question number 1 also. So without wasting time, let us start. It is fill in the blanks. The first blank is if two angles are complementary. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is, complementary angles are 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary, then sum of their measure is, if supplementary two angles, then the measure is 180 degree. Third question, two angles forming a linear pair are, I have given you in introductory part, two adjacent angles, we can say that angles in the linear pair are supplementary, already explained. So two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary, that means they are 180 degree, but you will write supplementary if linear pair are dashed, so supplementary. Next, question number 4, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form a dash. It is definition. What is the definition? Definition of linear pair. Let me show you again. Definition of linear pair. The linear pair is formed. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite ray. Two adjacent sides whose sum is 180 degree, said to be linear pair. So that is the definition of linear pair. Now, fifth number question. Two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are also always, what is it? Equal. Sixth question. If two lines intersect at a point and one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then other pair of vertically opposite angles are what? Let me show you. Let me take two lines. If two lines intersect and if one pair, means pair, is having acute angle, let us say it is having 44 degree and this is having 77 degree. Both are acute angle. So what will be other angles? Definitely 44 minus 180, whatever will be there, this will be that answer. Let us see. 180 minus 44, it will give 136. 180 minus 44, 6, 7 minus 4, 3. Okay, it is 136, and here definitely it will also be 136 only, because vertically opposite angle. And what are they? There are obtuse angles, right? Let me take this we can't take 77 because it will not become 180. So we have to take 44 degree only, because vertically opposite angles are same. So we will take 44 and 44. So if they are acute angles, so what will be the other two? It will be obtuse only. So we will write obtuse angle. Moving to question number 14. In the adjoining figure, name the following pair of angles. They have given us one figure and we have to name the following pairs. It will be in pairs. First one is obtuse vertically opposite angle. They are asking vertically opposite angle, but they must also be obtuse. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. So let us see what is where is obtuse angle. One angle is this, A, O and D. What is other angle? Vertically opposite angle of AOD is BOC. So answer is a pair of obtuse vertically opposite angles are AOD and BOC. Next is adjacent complementary angle. They must be adjacent angles and also complementary angles. So we can see here, if this is 90, this whole angle is also 90 degree. So we can say AOB one angle and other angle is AOE. They are adjacent angle because one vertex common, OA common arm, and non-common arms BO and OE are on the either side of the common arm. So we can say AOB and AOE are adjacent complementary angles. Moving to third part, they must be equal and also supplementary angles. That means they must be forming on a line and also equal. Let us see. This if I take, it is 90 degree EOD, and if this whole angle I take BOE, it is also 90 degree. So they are equal 90 and this whole 90, and they together they form supplementary. So we got our answer equal because both are 90 and they together form supplementary angle. So can I write BOE plus and EOD because they are in pair. So BOE and EOD are equal supplementary angles. Moving to fourth part. Fourth part, they are saying they must be unequal and also forming supplementary angles. That means two pairs of angles, they are unequal, not equal in measure, but also forms supplementary angle. Let us see this in figure. Let me take this together, one AOE and EOC. See, EOC, it is more than 90 plus this angle, and AOE, they together they form and they will make 180 degree because it is forming on a line. So I will take AOE plus EOC, not plus because they want us in pair. So I have written unequal supplementary angles are AOE and EOC. Last part of this question, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. We have to give such adjacent angles which are not forming a linear pair. That means they are not forming 180 degree. Let us see. One, I will take this AOB and AOE. They are adjacent angles, and if you total them, it will only be 90 degree. It is not forming a linear pair. Same way, if I take AOE and EOD together, they are forming adjacent angles, but they are not forming a linear pair. And lastly, these two also, AOD and COD, this one, and AOD, they are also forming adjacent angles and they are not linear pair. So there are three such pairs, AOB and AOE, AOE and EOD, and EOD and COD. They are adjacent angles and they are also not forming linear pair. How we conclude that they are not forming linear pair? Because if they form linear pair, they must be lying on a straight line. Their sum must be 180 degree, and it is not forming likewise. See this figure, these two angles AOB and AOE. If we total them, it will be 90 degree. So not linear, but they are adjacent. Same way, let us take these two angles AOE and EOD. This is 90, and this part, they will not make 180. If they form linear, it will be these two angles BOE and EOD. So definitely AOE and EOD will be another pair of adjacent angles which are not linear. Again, this one EOD is 90 and this part is less than 90. So together they will not form linear pair, but they will form adjacent angles. Hope you have understood this 14th number question. Please go through it 2 or 3 times. If you have not gone through the introductory lecture, we will meet with new lecture in new videos. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.